Okay, so this is the first test of the GoPro 360. I'm not actually expecting this to work particularly well because I think it's slightly too wide. If you see here, I think it comes out a bit too far. I think it's going to be seen in the lens. We'll give it a go. I'm hoping it doesn't fall off when I'm riding around. So yeah, I've got the camera mounted at this angle. If you don't know how 360 cameras work, and to be honest I'm one of those people, I'm still learning, but because you've got the lenses here on the either side, for it to be 360 it records more than 180 degrees. So in order to stitch the line either sides of the lenses, it does that by recording slightly more than 180 on both sides, so there's an overlap. With it mounted like this, I don't know if I appeared normal or split in half, because I'm essentially sat along the stitch line or thereabouts. Selfie stick and everything directly in line with the bottom of the camera needs to be narrower than the width between the two lenses, but we'll see. We'll go a bit further now that the camera's facing the other way.